Hello and welcome back to Draw with Boba. Today we're drawing a Gingerbread Labubu. Alright, let's start off around here on the page. And we're going to draw the eyes first. We're just going to draw one eyebrow first. Let's see if we can get the center right here. Let's go on the left and draw a simple U. Like so. And you're going to go on the right and draw the same U right over here. Let's go here and draw a U. Alright. That's looking good. Now under this is just, we're gonna draw the two eyes. It's just gonna be two big circles. One circle, two circles. Looking really good so far. Now we just need to draw the black of the eye. Like so. And two circles for the highlight. And we're not gonna color these in. And I want you to go ahead and color in the eyes right here. It's super easy. Make sure to not go outside the lines. Looking really good. And once you're done with that, our eyes are complete. Once the eyes are done, we're gonna draw the nose right in the middle. We're gonna start right down here. Draw a triangle like so. And let's go with the big mouth. Labubus have big creepy mouths, so we're gonna draw a giant U right across like so, and we're gonna add in a bunch of teeth. We're gonna start from the middle just so we have some even amount of teeth. 2 to start. Let's do 3 on either side. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. That's looking really cute. Now the Labubus have a mask over the face, so let's draw the top of the hair right above the eye, right around here. We want to draw in some spikes. Super easy, just a few spikes. Nothing too hard. And then on the left side, we're gonna start around here, and we're gonna connect this. We're gonna go U, connect. On the other side, U, connect. Like so. Little notch for more fur, and we're gonna go all the way around just to draw the chin in. Take your time if you need, and continue and connect. So that's a really cute looking face so far. Now let's draw in the rest of the little Boo-Boo's head. Let's go start from here, and we're gonna go up all the way to around this point. We're gonna go on the outside. Get around, and same thing over here. We're gonna go here, and we're gonna go up to this point on the outside. Looking good. And now let's draw in some ears. We're gonna go up, down, little notch for a fur, top the head, and then second ear, a little notch of fur. Let's go up, same height, and back down. Looking good. And we're gonna fill in the ear detail. So a line right here, and loop. On the other ear, same thing, line right here, and loop. All right, let's draw in a little more detail. 2 loops for the ears. And once you're done with the head, we're gonna move over to the body. It's gonna be a little bit all the way down to this point. So we're gonna start with the arms. We're gonna do a big loop. Stop around here, and same thing on the other side, big loop. Stop around here. Those are good looking arms. And right around here, we're gonna draw in the belly. Go down like so on both sides. Looking really good. And then let's draw in the feet. And we're gonna go down, up to this point. Down, up to the same point. And draw in the bottom of the belly. Now with your base Labubu done, we're just gonna draw all the gingerbread details. Let's start with the 2 buttons in the middle. We're gonna do 1 big button here, and a second right here. once your buttons are done, we're gonna add in frosting. We're gonna add in some wavy lines, and this is gonna be for the frosting lines on arms. And the belly. Much longer. Like so. And let's add a little bit more frosting. Let's do on the feet. And maybe a big long one on the head. Like so. And a little bit more details, we could add in some fingers and toes. Like so. And there you have it, your Labubu drawing. Now let's add some color real quick. All right, let's grab some markers and we're gonna start coloring our Labubu. Let's start with some nice brown, and this is gonna be pretty much for our gingerbread color. You're gonna color most of it. Let's color in the ears first. Let's avoid the frosting. Looking really good. Make sure to avoid the face and also the frosting. Want to keep the frosting white as much as possible. If you do get into the frosting, it's totally fine. Alright, same thing. Let's go down here, avoid the frosting. Let's go right under the chin. Big swoosh. Over here. Go around these buttons. Color in the rest of the belly. Do you guys like to scribble or draw in the outside first before coloring inside? I kind of do a little bit of both. Whatever feels right at the time. Get these little bits. Rest of the arm. The legs. Almost there. The feet. That's looking really good. Let's go in for red this time and let's shoot the top button. Green for the bottom button. Let's see if we could get a lighter color. And we're gonna draw color in the rest of it. Let's do the ears first. And let's see if we can color in the face. I'm avoiding the teeth because I want them to stay white. Looking good so far. And it seems like I missed the nose. Let's give it that brown color right again. And there you have it. A gingerbread Labubu. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked the video, please give it a like and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one.